Are you listening? Damn.
My shop. I'll show you around a bit of projects I do. I started this place because it was a passion. I did this in the past a lot for just a pastime. I had a few shops, but my good friend just told me to quit my job and go do it. So here's the place. Got the 4G63 here, which is eventually going to go in my Miata. It's all built engine with Seco pistons, Eagle rods, ARP studs. It's got everything to run 600 HP, and we're running a HX35 on it because it's cheap and reliable. Here we got the projects we're doing for one of our customers. His name is Charles. We're putting PT5858 with MassWorks manifold, tile 44mm V-band, NVR, vibrant catch can. We did the oil filter relocator or Kura Mishimoto on it. And right now we're doing the downpipe pie cut because it's quite more beautiful. On my car, I'm doing maintenance since it's been running like shit for the past 2-3 events. Change the fuel net, change the tie rod in front because it was bent. I'm waiting for a table tomorrow. Change the oil, change the spark plug. We also have a couple of projects in the back. That are still in progress, like big project of the day is this BMW E30. We're putting a 5-liter in it, 302 from Ford. It's in the progress. We did the exhaust collector that has to go in the front ear. The exhaust has to go around the starter, so it's a pretty big thing, but we're almost done. First startup should happen next week. We did a complete rebuild on that car. When it came here, it was the A-kit frame was broken in two. We fixed it in the back, changed the subframe, put the K back in. That's a swap actually, because this car came with a single cam. The client brought us a twin cam, so we did the conversion here. Full engine rebuild, frame in the back, in here, all steel. It was broken until here, changed the subframe on it because it was been hacked like many Nissan guys do. We also have those types of projects, which is T28 install turbo upgrade. Got the gray one here. It's a normal turbo upgrade, differentials on it. Right now it's broken again because it's drift Nissan, so it blew a hose. We're gonna change that, and then it got sold actually yesterday to one of my buddies. T30 is gonna get 350 in it. We might try to convince him to go 5.3 or bigger. That's a rare car and I don't want to break it just for 350. 8.6, which is my favorite car here. It's the client's car, but he lent it to me to do a run. He wanted me to test it to see if it was running good, to see if it was, see if it was feeling good under drifting. And this happened. It caught fire while I was drifting it. It's been badly built. The hose is on the turbo here, is on the manifold. The hose caught fire because it was a cheap hose and then just set fire to the all around it. That thing should be back next week. Besides that,
pretty basic. It depends what piping, 5 inch or 3 inch. There's like base degrees that you use, and bike cuts, 9 degrees or 20 degrees. 4.5. So to make like a 90-degree bend, you make like 5 90 degrees. When I start, I make one straight, one angle. That is angle. 9 degree. So you just have to make 5 of them to make a 90. It really depends on the setup. The plus of making bike cuts is that you can make a really tight bend. A small radius compared to like a normal or
Mechanic also? Most likely. If I could do only one thing, it'd be fab. It's a Hyundai Genesis 2-liter turbo, 2010, so it's a first gen. I first bought the thing 2 years ago, like 3 years ago. I bought it crashed. It was bent in the front, bent in the back. We straightened it up a bit on the frame machine that I did with my pickup truck too. I did no mods on it at all for 2 years. I drifted it to stock suspension, stock wheels, stock everything. I just stripped it. Used the 22 wrench as handbrake. I crashed it a couple of times, and then 3 weeks ago I had a pretty big crash. I had to do the front end on it because it was all torqued and bent. So I bent it back up again for like the third or fourth time. I had to change the radiator, so I put the Mishimoto radiator on, the vibrant intercooler on. Since mine broke, I did the piping. Everything I changed on the car is because it broke. I also threw some pop-ups on because I love pop-ups. My daily has pop-ups, so what's my drift car? That's about it. It's bone stock. I've been drifting it for 2 years, changing oil once a year. We ran out of oil twice when I crashed it. It's still running. It's still making the same clacking noise, but it seems to be normal. Besides that, the best thing I ever bought. People are saying those engines are weak, and they're not. I've been beating on it pretty hard. The oil cooler seems to be the key. As long as it runs cool, it runs amazing. I've been having a few problems that I through drift days. I had to change the spark plugs, I had bad fuel in, and I broke a couple of sensors when I crashed. But besides that, I've left it down, it never let me down. So yeah, it's a base model too. I don't even have rubber brakes or shit. It's, Let's go. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah, see you next time. Yeah. That was like a robot, bro. You're smooth. You should be an actor.
Done that all my life.